Hi YouTube, today we're going to have a look at the Periboard 106. This is a performance keyboard from Perixx. Okay, so first of all, having a look at the front of the box, here we can see that it is a full-size keyboard. It has a 1.5 meter cable. It has laser printed keys and the key presses are guaranteed for 20 million key presses. Moving over to the side of the box, we can see that it is designed in Dusseldorf, Germany. Flipping the box over, here we can see the same information pretty much again as on the front. Standard full-size keyboard, durable laser printed keys, key press life cycle 20 million times, curved keys with ergonomic support, and the 1.5 meter durable cable. Moving over, here we can see it is designed for an IBM or compatible PC system running Windows, and it is plug and play, no driver needed. And if we just look here at the barcode, here we can see that it is the Periboard 106 US, so this should be a US layout keyboard. You can still use this in the UK, you just need to change your keyboard settings within Windows and you will get the correct keys when you press them. Okay, so let's get this thing opened up and have a look. Okay, so here we have the keyboard out of the packaging. We can see that it is just a plain standard black keyboard. As I mentioned a moment ago, this is a US layout keyboard. As you can see, there is no pound sign there. It is actually a hash sign. And as we can see, like on the Apple computers, the @ sign and the speech marks are the opposite way around, and the enter key is the standard horizontal one instead of the larger vertical one we have here in the UK normally. Okay, so the key presses feel nice and firm and solid, a nice tactile feedback. This would be nice to type on, and as I mentioned earlier, these key presses are designed for at least 20 million key presses, and the letters are laser printed onto the keyboard, so it is designed for longevity and durability, this keyboard. As usual, we have the Windows key here at the bottom and also the list button, which is the equivalent of the right click. Just flip the keyboard over and have a look at the underside. As to be expected, just a plain black underside of the keyboard. We have the usual two flip out feet here for support if you wish to elevate the keyboard. And we have two little rubber feet here to stop it sliding about too much on the desk. We also have here some channeling for the cable. So you can have the cable coming out the left hand side or the right hand side of the keyboard. And that is pretty much it. Okay then folks, that is the Periboard 106 keyboard from Perixx. This is a US layout keyboard, but you could still use it here in the UK. I'd like to say a massive thank you to Perixx for sending this product out for review. If you do wish to purchase one of these, I'll provide a link in the description below where you can get one from Amazon if you wish to do so. And as usual, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share this video with everyone you know.